Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are well by the grace of the Almighty. So today I have came with class 2 subject mathematics. So our today's topic is word problem. Today I am going to show word problems of chapter 1 and 2 of class 2 subject mathematics and with the solution also. So let's start. So here we are with at first chapter 1. It is about ordinal numbers. So this is the first word problem. Let me read it. In a line of students, Ratun is 8 from the tail and there are 9 more students in front of him. How many students are there in a line? I am repeating again. In a line of students, Ratun is 8 from the tail. That means 8 from the tail means from the back and there are 9 more students in front of him. How many students are there in the line? So here is the solution answer. Here Ratun is 8 from the back. There are 9 students more in front of him. So we have to add these two numbers to get the total students number in the line. So there are here 9 plus 8 equal 17. So 17 students in total. Answer: there are 17 students in the line. So let's go with the next one. Akash is reading a book. He is now reading the ninth page and there are 7 more pages. How many pages is this book? So I repeat again. Akash is reading a book. He is now reading the ninth page and there are 7 more pages. How many pages is this book? Solution: here Akash is in ninth page of the book. There are 7 more pages of the book. So here we have to add these two numbers to get the total number of the pages. So there are 9 plus 7 equal 16. So there are 16 pages in the book. Answer: there are 16 pages in total in this book. I have given you a method of writing the word problems answer, but there are also some more methods. You can do with my methods or any other methods as you want. That's your wish. But remember one thing. The answer is always same. The answer never corrects in other different methods. So let's go with the next one. So this is chapter 2 as there are no more word problems in chapter 1. So let's start chapter 2. 18 players of national cricket team of Sri Lanka came to play in Bangladesh. There are 18 players in Bangladesh team also. How many players are there in two teams altogether? I repeat again. 18 players of national cricket team of Sri Lanka came to play in Bangladesh. There are 18 players in Bangladesh team also. How many players are there in two teams altogether? This chapter 2 is about addition and sub-addition. So, that is the solution of this word problem. Here, there are 18 players in Sri Lanka team. As we seen in the question that there are 18 players in Sri Lanka team, there are 18 players in Bangladesh team also. Because it's also written here, 18 players in Bangladesh team. So there are we have to add this total number of players of the both teams to get a total number of players altogether. So there are 18 plus 18. 8 plus 8 equals 6. 1 in hand. 1 plus 1 equal 2. 2 plus 1 equal 3. Equal 36. So there are 36 players altogether. Answer: so there are 36 players in two teams altogether. So this is the next one word problem of chapter 2. So let's go with the question. In a school, there are 26 girls and 25 boys in class 2. How many students are there in class 2 in total? I repeat again. In a school, there are 26 girls and 25 boys in class 2. How many students are there in class 2 in total? So we have to find the total number of students adding the number of girls and number of boys in class 2. So here is the answer. In class 2, there are 26 girls, there are 25 boys. So to find the numbers, we have to add these two numbers. So there are 6 plus 5 equal 1, 1 in hand, 2 plus 1 equal 3, then 3 plus 2 equal 5. So 51. So there are 51 students. Answer. So there are 51 students in the class altogether. Next one. Number 5, there are 26 rose plants and 35 daily plants in Shristi's garden. How many plants are in the garden? There are 26 rose plants and 35 daily plants in Shristi's garden. How many plants are in the garden? Answer. In Shristi's garden, there are 35 berry plants. There are 26 rose plants. Here we have to find the total number of plants altogether. And there are two types of plants. One is berry and another is rose. So we have to add these two numbers and to get the answer. Altogether, there are 6 plus 5 equal 1. Then 2 1 in hand, 2 plus 1 equal 3, 3 plus 3 equal 6. So altogether there are 61 plants. Answer. So altogether there are 61 plants in Shristi's garden. So here is another one. Ali plucked 2 bunches of green coconuts from their tree. There are 19 green coconuts in one bunch and 18 green coconuts in other bunch. How many green coconuts are there altogether? Ali plucked 2 bunches of green coconuts from their tree. There are 19 green coconuts in one bunch and 18 green coconuts in other bunch. How many green coconuts are there altogether? So here it is said that Ali plucked 2 bunches of green coconuts from their own tree. So in one branch there is 19 and another one is 18. So we have to find the total number of green coconuts altogether by adding these two numbers. I mean the numbers of the green coconuts in 2 bunches. So here is the solution. Accordingly, in one bunch there are 19 green coconuts. In other bunch there are 18 green coconuts. So there are altogether 9 plus 8 equal 17. 1 in hand. 1 plus 1 equal 2. 2 plus 1 equal 3. So 37. So there are altogether 37 green coconuts. Answer. There are 37 green coconuts altogether. This is another one. In the family library of Shanti, there are 52 story books and 38 books of other subjects. In total, how many books are there in the library? In the family library of Shanti, there are 52 story books and 38 books of other subjects. In total, how many books are there in the library? So here it is said that in Shanti's family library there are 52 storybooks and 38 books of other subjects. So we have to find the total number of books by adding this types of the two numbers. So here is the solution. Here in Shanti's family, there are 52 storybooks. In Shanti's family library, there are 52 storybooks. There are 38 books of other subjects. So we have to add these two types of books, two numbers to get the total. So there are 8 plus 2 equal 0, 10, 1 in hand, 3 plus 1 equal 4, 5 plus 4 equal 9. So there are 90 books altogether. Answer, there are 90 books in the library. So here is the another one. Raju bought fish for 45 taka and vegetables for 38 taka from Bazaar. How much did he spend altogether? Solution. Here, Raju bought fish for 45 taka, vegetables for 38 taka. So we have to add this amount of money to get a total taka he spent altogether. So he spent 8 plus 5 equal 13, 1 in hand, 3 plus 1 equal 4, 4 plus 4 equal 8. So he spent 83 taka altogether. Answer. So he spent 83 taka altogether. Ani and his friends went to Prabhat Ferry of 21st February in two groups. In one group there are 29 persons and in the other there are 35 persons. How many persons were in the two groups? Solution. In Prabhat Ferry, in one group there are 35 persons. In another group there are 29 persons. Here in the Prabhat Ferry of 21st February there are two groups and in one there are 35 persons, in another there are 29. So we have to add these two numbers to get the total number of people in both groups, in two groups. So in two groups there are 9 plus 5 equals 14, 1 in hand, 2 plus 1 equals 3, 3 plus 3 equals 6, equals 64. So in two groups there are 64 persons. Answer, there are 64 persons in the two groups. Okay. Riaz kept 35 catfish and 47 tilapias in his tank. How many fish did he keep in the tank? Solution. Riaz kept 47 tilapias in his tank, 35 catfishes in his tank. So there are 7 plus 5 equal 2, 3 plus 1 equal 4, 4 plus 4 equal 8. 82 fishes in the tank. Answer, there are in total 85 fishes in Ria's tank. In the morning, Akash saw 42 cars passed in front of his house and 39 cars in the afternoon. How many cars passed in front of his house on this day? Solution. Accordingly, Akash saw 42 cars in the morning and 39 cars in the afternoon. So we have to add the total number of cars Akash saw on that day. So he saw 42 cars in the morning and 39 in the afternoon. So he saw 9 plus 2 equal 11, 1 and 1 in hand. 3 plus 1 equal 4, 4 plus 4 equal 8. So he saw 81 cars in total. Answer. Akash saw 81 cars past his home on that day. A shopkeeper counts the number of customers to his shop. First day there were 56 customers. On the next day there were 34 customers. How many customers came to his shop in these days? So we have to find the total number of customers came in these 2 days in his shop. So here is the answer. Here on first day there were 56 customers. On second day there were 34 customers. So there were altogether 6 plus 4 equal 10, 0, 1 in hand, 3 plus 1 equal 4, 5 plus 4 equal 9. 90 customers. So there were altogether 90 customers. Answer, there were 90 customers altogether in these 2 days. So that's all for today. Hope you all like the video. Subscribe for more videos, and if you like this video, like, comment and share. Thanks for seeing this. Thanks for watching. So that's all for today. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.